Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm coming in to check out what Terry's doing today, and we've got a 2022 Northwood Arctic Fox, and customer had a cracked shower pan, and I guess his pan has been replaced twice. So one of the issues that we found was the perimeter. The customer went ahead and beefed up the perimeter, so he added all that lighter wood that you see to reinforce the pan. But as you can see down here, the shower faucet was clear down here, sticks out about 10 inches. So we figured while we're in here, we might as well take it up and put it up somewhere in the wall where it belongs. So Terry removed the refrigerator, cut out a cutout, and he's gonna go ahead and install that right there in that hole. So here's what the behind the refrigerator looks like. And again, there's the refrigerator that we removed. So we're going to take the pipes and increase the height and the length, move the faucet up. As you can see in this picture here, that's what the original faucet looked like. And that's way down there. How low the original faucet was. Kind of crazy. Basically, you'd have to turn the faucet on and, hey, you'd have to turn the faucet on with your feet almost. You can imagine bending all the way down to maybe, I don't even know, it was maybe 6-8 inches from the ground. So anyways, stay tuned for more. He's going to be installing a shower surround, the pan, the plumbing, relocating the plumbing that's existing, and then moving that faucet up to like a reasonable height. So thanks so much for watching.